Namaste Kanna. How is everything? Hope you and your family are safe at home. Last slot, we learnt about the introduction of logical thinking. In that logical thinking, you are going to solve the problem in stepwise manner. You are having three main steps in logical thinking, that is identifying the goal, information and condition, and solving. Now, we are going to learn about problem solving in a stepwise manner using logical reasoning. Here, I given the sequence of number. For this, we have to solve the problem in stepwise manner using logical thinking. Before itself, I told you that you have to analyze the goal, information, condition, reasoning and solution. Here the sequence of number is 9, 10, 12 and 15.
In the first step, you have to analyze the goal, gather the information and condition. What is the goal here? Already you are having 4 numbers. So, I analyze that we have to find out the 5th number in the sequence. Is it right, children? Yes. In the second step, you have to gather information from this. So, what is the information you gather about this problem? Here the first 4 number of the sequence are in ascending order. Next step is condition. We have to observe that in this sequence of number, the first number 9 is added by 1. Then only you will get the answer 10. In the same manner, you have to add each number with the natural number. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Finally, you have to give the reason and solution for this problem. What is the reason? You find out. We added 1 to the first number and got the second number. That means 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Second step is we have to add 2 to the second number and got the third number. That means 10 plus 2 equal to 12. In the same manner, you have to find out the fifth number also. Finally, the solution is 15 plus 4 equal to 19. Let's we enjoy one more problem to solve. This problem is very interesting to solve. This problem you have to analyze your goal, information, condition and finally you have to give the reason and solution. Here the problem is a farmer must get his flocks, chicken and grains across a river in the boat. A boat that can only hold him and one another thing. However, if the chicken is left alone with the fox will eat it. If the grain is left along with the chicken will eat it. Can the farmer get everything across safely? Imagine yourself and think it logically. What is the goal here? Here, the fox, chicken and grain across a river in a boat safely. Next, what is the information you gather about that? The information available is a river that can be crossed by a boat. Second point is a farmer who owns a boat. Third one is the farmer has a fox, chicken and some grains with him. Next one is condition. Here, a boat that can only hold him and one another thing. However, if the chicken is left alone with the fox will eat it. If the grain is left along with the chicken will eat it. Then what you will do? This is the condition for this problem. Finally, you have to analyze the reason and solve the problem. What is the reason here? Take the chicken over the first. Go back and bring the grains next. But instead of leaving the chicken with the grain, come back with the chicken. Leave the chicken on the first side and take the fox with you. Leave it on the other side with the grain. Finally, go back over and get the chicken and bring it over. Finally, the farmer brings all these things into another side. I hope you are all understand with this concept. Thank you, children.